How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So I am I just leased an apartment today,
Okay.
right down the street from Duke. It's like you can walk to Duke from there, Duke University Hospital.
And this is the one you
Um,
emailed me about?
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. So initially, so curiously, and I wonder if this is the seasonality of things. When I went there, it was, you know, a little expensive, and I thought I heard him say if it's going to go down, but he was trying to get me to lease, and actually the price of the rent dropped like $100,
Okay.
which is great. So but then they have like three of them together. I don't want to bite off too much, but I'm almost tempted to lease a second one, but I
Hmm.
want to see how the first one goes first. So I'm due to start the lease in January, which gives me time to order the furniture and get
Hmm.
that delivered there and all of that. So I'm just about finished setting up my apartment.
Okay.
And yeah,
Cool.
and
Congratulations.
thank you very much. I'm using the top duplex because I redid the kitchen,
Okay.
and so I ended up moving downstairs.
Okay.
And they repainted it. The electrical people gonna put in the fixtures and everything, but I'm just trying to go for the top dollar because it's a really nice place.